Hello guys, today I'm gonna share that how I take my trades, what are the areas I cover before taking a trade. So basically this is how I do it. I have to just first I go and I check the SPX market, Nasdaq, BWOL, the volatility, and then I check the USDT dominance. These are the charts which I see in order to know where market is heading towards. So right now the market almost is towards its resistance, but when the market is resistance, we can do quick trades. We can take quick scalps. All right, so here I can see that everything is in an uptrend, and it's giving me an indication that I can take entry into the pairs. I have one pair which I have kept in mind that is looking good, and I will take the entry on the retracement. So this is the naked chart, 30 minutes. All right, I can clearly see that it's creating cups on the downtrend, and whenever the cup is created, whenever C formation is created, the price move upward, and whenever inverted cup, this sort of formation is seen in the charts, the price drops down. All right, so this is one good indication that how you can read your charts. Right now I can see that this particular high has been broken out, and I have to take entry on retracement. What I'm gonna do is first I will go on the weekly chart. All right, let's clear it out. On the weekly chart I am going to mark the resistance. First I'm gonna mark the resistance area, that where the resistance is lying. All right, let me mark it. Okay, all right, let's mark the resistance. So this is the resistance area of this pair. Let's keep it in red color. All right, and then I'm gonna mark the support. Here the support of this pair has been marked. All right, and let's give it a color of green. Then I'm gonna see that this is the interest area where price has been moving. Let me give it POI, point of interest. All right, so this is the larger scale, that where the price is heading towards, and then I will go for the 4-hour chart. All right, and I can clearly see that the formation is creating C's, cups, and the price is moving up. You can also draw a support line here as well if you want to take entries on 4-hourly chart. All right, so after marking this, the weekly resistance and support, we're gonna see the market structure. So this is the point of interest, and I can see that on 4-hourly, here you can see this was the lower low, this was the lower high. As soon as price took this high, this lower high, this was the lower high on 4-hourly chart. You can see lower high. As soon as this lower high has been taken off, our structure has turned from bearish to bullish. So this is one indication. So on 4-hour chart I have seen that okay, we are in an uptrend, and this particular structure is giving us bullish sign. So for scalp, for quick scalp, what I do is I go for the 30 minutes chart. All right, and I start marking the lows and highs. So here you can see this is the lower low, lower high. Let me share with you the recent lows and highs. This is the 4-hour lower high. then 30 minutes lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, so here is the 30 minutes lower high. All right, this is the lower low. As soon as price has braked this low on 30 minutes chart, as soon as price has braked this lower high, the structure gets bullish. Keep notes of it, that first we have seen on 4 hours, then we have seen it on a microstructure, that what 30-minute structure is showing. This is the lower high, this is the lower low. As soon as price has taken off this high, our structure has turned from bearish to bullish, and price can come back and retrace till here. It will stay bullish, and as soon as the new high is broken, another high will be created. So this was the high, this is the new higher high. All right, and let me mark it. This is the lower high, and change of character has happened here. The new high has been created here because we have seen that this new high has been generated, and I have marked this. This is higher low. All right, this is higher low. So here you can see a new higher high has been created, and new higher high has been again breaked. This is again a structure break here. This again has been breaked, and another higher high has been created. So when the new high is created, we mark the lowest point as higher low. So this is the higher low. All right, so now we can see that the structure is bullish and the price is moving in an upward direction. This is our point of interest. By seeing the weekly chart, this was clearly our point of interest. And now what I gonna do if I have to take the entries? All right, so what I gonna do is I will wait for the retracement. All right, and this will be my clear stop loss, because if 30 minutes price breaks this chart, my entire structure will become bearish. So for entry, I gonna go for 4 hours first. All right, and on 4 hours I will see some wicks, that where the wicks are forming. This is the stop hunting areas. So all right, let me mark it. Let's go on the 30 minutes chart. So let me again tell you that what exactly I am doing. So price has pumped, and now I want to take the entries on the retracement. I know that on 30 minutes time frame, this will be my stop, and I have to take entry. For entry, I will be I am just going for these wicks. So I want my order to fill when the price fall in this box. Let's see. All right, so if price falls in between this box, I will be good to go. I will take the entry. And another tool which I used is fixed range price tool. So I will just put it from here to here in order to know where price is moving. So here in this particular region, all right, in this area, price has been at this red zone for most of the time. So this is another confluence added after this green box, that we can take our entry here as well. So I will take my entry here. My stop will be just below the higher low, and what I gonna do is I will go on 4 hour and I will target the next high on the chart. I will target the next high on the chart, most likely this one, this one. I will target the next high on the chart, and on 4-hour time frame, let me mark a resistance break as well. That's fine. Let's move back to 30 minutes. So I will on retracement, this is the live recording. You can also cross check it as well, that what exactly has happened. So this will be 3.5 4-hour trade. I gonna enter at this area. The entire green box is the demand zone, and we will be targeting the next high. So here you can see, whenever the high is broken, a new high is created. So we are expecting the price to retrace back here and break this high and go grab the new high. So this will be our take profit 1, and this will be our take profit 2. Guys, this setup will be subject to BTC price movement. Whenever we are creating any setup, the price of every setup is linked with Bitcoin price movement and other financial markets. So the structure of this particular trade looks very good to me, and you can check this particular trade by just going with the demo trade and see how you can get the results. So this is how I usually trade the 30 minutes chart. So I hope that it was an informative session for everyone. If you have any query, feel free to drop your message. Take care. Bye bye.